Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, friends. Today, excuse this face, guys. I don't have any makeup on, and the dog is barking, and I'm so sorry for the mess on my background. It's just that this is our spare room, and our stationary bike is here, and I will be going to ride the stationary bike. I wanted to exercise, so yeah, and excuse his voice because I am still sleepy, but it's already it's almost 7 in the morning, and I already got up like 2 hours ago, like 5 a.m. So now I will be doing an exercise. So yeah, look at this face though. Yeah, and I will see you later. I will just try riding my bike, and I'll see you later. Hey guys, so I filmed a video today, and this is my look for today. So this is the one that I filmed, and better watch out for this video, guys. This is a very affordable look actually, and it's very dramatic. It's been a while since I did a dramatic look like this one, and I miss it. And I tried to use very affordable product on this one. I think I have a similar look like this, but I was just getting ready and wanted to try my very affordable palette. Yeah, using this dark eyeshadow. So I filmed 2 videos today. Yeah, mother is at the back. No, they cannot see you, mother. My mother has been a lot of exposure lately. Yeah, what you think, mother? You like it? Nakaubos siya. So I think it's a little noisy outside right now. I don't know if you could hear the rain, but it's raining actually right now, and it feels so cool from the outside. And we are watching, of course, it's showtime. Yeah, because we are ABS-CBN people here. Yeah, so this is an update, and yeah, look at my lips. I have a pimple again. This is a brand new lipstick, by the way, that I'm trying, guys. And wow, it's not transferring. This is so crazy. It's my first time trying a lipstick that doesn't transfer, and I'm pretty much excited about it. Yeah, so I think we will be eating lunch first because we haven't eaten lunch, and it's already 1:30. Yeah, because I finished my filming so that I cannot be bothered again in filming, but still I need to film another video later for an update on a video. Yeah, whatever. So I'll see you later, guys. Bye. Diba, you're eating snack. Me, I'm going to eat fish cracker from Machine, and I have a vinegar here to dip it. What's yours, ba? Onion ring. This one, down this. So delicious.
Mabuting asawa.
Oh, hindi pa. Wow, the weather is just bipolar.
outside. A while ago it's just so hot and now it's so, it feels like it's typhoon. OMG. Let me check it here. Wow. Let's close the door. The window. Grabe. Grabe. Oh gosh, my face so oily. So yeah, this is my face and my lipstick. It looks so weird. So well, I don't like the lighting here. So I will be cooking some fries for snack for the kids, and I already have my oil hot, but it's not that hot still, so I need to wait for it to get much hotter. So while waiting for that, I'm just going to clean the table. I think the oil's already hot. Oh, by the way guys, this is the brand that we always buy. Yeah, we buy this one. We always buy our fries from King because their fries are always fresh compared to the grocery, like the Metro groceries and Colonnade Mall. So here we go. OMG. I did not expect it. Oh my gosh. So another batch. And we still need to put more because there's still a lot of room. And oops. I'm gonna spread a little. I think I need more. I need to put more. Just a little. This side here. Okay, I think that's fine. I think that's fine. And by the way guys, we also have this flavor one from Ferna. This one is the sour cream and onion seasoning, and this one is the barbecue. These two flavorings taste exactly the same with the flavorings that they have at Potato Corner. So yeah, so instead of buying from Potato Corner, we buy 2 kilos of fries and some flavorings to just cook it at home so that we could save. We need to save guys. It's not easy to look for money. So save while you can. You need to save while you can. It's already 7 in the evening and I am doing a little editing and Baba is studying. Yeah, I wanted to finish this. I already edited like one vlog and I'm about to finish my review, so I'm just waiting until 8 maybe. Yeah, so right now I am, yeah, like I've said, I'm editing a video. Nothing so fancy really, and it's so hot. Look at my face guys. Can fry egg on my face because it's so and while I was cooking french fries, oh my gosh, I tell you guys, my sweat was dripping like crazy. Like
it seems like I have a faucet of sweat all over my pores. So yeah, that's how hot it is. You know, we have a summer long weather here in the Philippines. That's something that I cannot prevent from happening. So yeah, so I will just be doing a little editing, and I'm going to do my final update on a video that I'm working. So I will see you later, guys.